Tuesday afternoon, mid-Michigan already receiving rain showers and thunderstorms, and this is going to be the trend for these next few days as we continue to just get this plume of moisture streaming into mid-Michigan. Here's a look right now at the first Warn 5 pinpoint Doppler radar live from MBS. Very colorful radar right now, and I want to start by zooming in on Gratiot County because we do have a cluster of thunderstorms. You can see all those lightning bolts being detected with this, so we are looking at some very heavy rain expanding from Alma down towards Ithaca, even into Fulton. Watch out for cloud to ground lightning, and I'm not ruling out having some hail either. You can see this hail core right now popping up. That's the blue shaded area, so we could be looking at some decent hail with this as well. So please be mindful if you're heading out that way for this lunch hour. Back to our radar now, zooming up to our northern communities. You can see some heavy rain from Clare up towards Mount Pleasant, even back towards Rose City, Standish, Aranet County, up towards Alcona County. Light to moderate pockets of rain, and we are going to be seeing more rain showers on the way for this evening and during the overnight period. It's all associated with an area of low pressure that is still off towards our west with this attached cold front. So as soon as the cold front moves through, we are going to be having clearing conditions behind it, but that cold front is going to be giving us rain showers and thunderstorms really for these next few days. The reason why we are so warm right now is because this warm front is still lifting to our north. Here's a live look right now over Mount Pleasant. You can see it is rain soaked here. We have overcast skies, current temperature 72 degrees. The dew point is at 71. So that means we have that uncomfortable air mass in place. The winds coming out of the west southwest sustained at 9 miles per hour. Now, I do want to mention we do have a slight risk in place for a good majority of mid-Michigan. This is upgraded by the Storm Prediction Center moments ago. This will continue up until about 10 o'clock tonight. I'm also expecting that we're going to be having some very strong damaging winds with this system rolling on through. Heavy rain, which will create some flood concerns. Hail, like I mentioned, and not going to rule out having an isolated tornado either. So your forecast hour by hour. I'm going to predict that scattered rain showers will continue to go through the afternoon, becoming more heavy and steady towards our Tuesday evening drive home. This is 6 o'clock. Heavy downpours, and that's just going to be the theme as we go through tonight and during the overnight period, where these rain showers just going to continue to move across the region. This is 4 a.m. on your Wednesday. Heavy downpours still expected, and it's going to continue to have periods of rains as we go through our Wednesday morning, afternoon, and during the evening hours before we finally dry out for our Wednesday night, but slightly. So how much rain is expected from the system lasting these next few days? We could be looking at 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, and that's going to create some flooding out there. So right now we do have a flood watch in place for Clare, Isabella, and Gratiot County. This will expire at 8 p.m. Wednesday. Here's your 7-day forecast. We are looking at temperatures in the 80s today, 60s on Wednesday, 62 on Thursday, 50s return on Friday, and then we're going to be back into the 60s for Saturday and Sunday. But overall, we are going to be looking at some very soggy weather for these next few days.
So you stay in under the air or you go outside and get wet? What's the winning move here?
None. None at all. Unfortunately, I mean, I would just, stay inside. It's going to be hot outside. It's going to be, warmer inside because we have that humidity today.
Yeah, so we'll just...
It's just a losing situation, I think.
Just pretend it's July and stay in.